Now, a job allegedly Congress leadership has failed to do. In fact, sources add that such non-political platforms will be held across India in the coming days with the aim to rally progressive parties like Congress breakaway outfits. Remember, rebel faction of Congress comprises of Ghulam Nabi Azad and 22 congressmen who wrote to party chief Sonia Gandhi seeking an overhaul of the organization.
See, one thing is quite clear that all Ghulam Nabi Azad, had it been a farewell meeting, it would have only been Ghulam Nabi Azad who would have been here. But the G23 leaders are also here. What actually they are trying to, this is the political motion where they are trying to make their presence felt. They are trying to send a very strong message to the Congress High Command that they cannot ignore all these leaders. Because isn't last year G23 leaders, they had written a letter to Party High Command where they had demanded sweeping change within the party. They wanted that there should be reform. And they had even questioned the internal democracy. But now, Ghulam Nabi Azad, after his retirement from Rajya Sabha, he was expecting that maybe he will be given some kind of a responsibility, but no such responsibility has been given. Though there was a meeting in the month of December where Sonia Gandhi called all these leaders, where she had promised that certain changes and reforms will be there in the party, but nothing of that sort has happened. So, and the recent remark of Rahul Gandhi on the north and south had been the tipping point. So these leaders will be sending a strong message that that India from north to south is one. Second, they will try to make their relevance felt. Third, they will be trying to send a message that they are very important. The kind of a rousing reception that Ghulam Nabi Azad yesterday received here in Jammu, and that was enough an indicator for the Congress to see that Congress cannot think of their party without Azad here in Jammu and Kashmir region, because his presence is going to only infuse new blood in the party. It will also give a shot in the arm. So if they are thinking of party without Azad, so they will be in fact committing a biggest blunder. That was in fact a very strong message. Today they will be having a public meeting. One, they will be addressing the rally during the Gandhi Global Family Program, and then after that Ravidas Sabha has also organized a program. So message is loud and clear that they are there and they will be meeting, trying to revive party. Though there are a lot many speculation had been there, which Ghulam Nabi Azad yesterday, while addressing a meeting at the Congress office, said that he has nothing to join. There is no such plans of him joining BJP. Had he any plans, he would have joined it when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister. But yes, it's a political posting, a show of strength from their side to the party high command.
Now, Ghulam Nabi Azad is among those rebel leaders currently camping in Jammu. When asked about the rumors of him joining the BJP, Nabi Azad said that he would have done so long ago if he wanted to.
मैं सुनता हूँ मोदी जी ने रोया तो हम बीजेपी में जा रहे हैं। तब तो मुझे बहुत पहले जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी मेरे घर में 80 से लेकर और जब तक वो फिजिकली चलने फिरने के काबिल न रहे, मेरी कोई ईद और दिवाली उन्होंने छोड़ी।